Hello, this is Vikas Nazir from DigiBrandy, and in today's video we are going to talk about Swipe Pages. Swipe Pages is a landing page building platform where you can build landing page in the matter of minutes with simple drag and drop tools. So let's have a look at the dashboard firstly, and then we will go to the builder inside. As you can see, there is an option to create a new page. I can use these handles to switch to grid or list view. There is settings to add your team, or you can also add multiple projects and assign different team members to different projects, so each of them will not be able to see what other team is doing. So you can add multiple projects and then add separate team members to each of the project. Okay, and if we talk about domains, it allows you to add your customized domain names with your landing page, so you don't have to use their default domain name. If you are their premium member, you can use your own custom domain names. Adding a domain name is very simple process which is described in step-by-step process here. You can follow the steps to move forward. Now talking about integrations, Swipe Pages allow you to integrate with these services. Connect with one of these services directly. So you can connect with these services directly. What that means is you can use your login and password, and you can connect with these services right inside the dashboard of Swipe Pages. However, you can connect with thousands of other apps using Zapier and Integromat. Most of you might be familiar with Zapier and how it is used. I'll also upload a tutorial of Zapier in the coming videos. So if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, please do subscribe to stay updated with the latest trends and softwares. Now as you can see, I have connected one of my SendFox accounts. By the way, you can connect multiple accounts from the same provider here. You are not just restricted to attaching one account. If I want to add another SendFox account, or if I want to add two MailChimp accounts, I can do so inside this dashboard. Okay, now talking about e-commerce. So e-commerce, as you know, is a necessity of today, and Swipe Pages understand this. That's why it helps you integrate your Stripe directly inside the Swipe Pages dashboard. All you need to do is to connect your Stripe using this connect button. But for that you must have a Stripe account. Currently I don't want to use Stripe with my landing pages, so I'm not going to use it. Coming to this upper right hand side, if we click on the name, it's showing the subscription, which type of plan I am using, account settings. This is the setting where I can change my account details and log out. Now we are going to create a page using Swipe Pages. Click on create new page. Enter the name of your page. For example, I'm going to add DigiBrandy. Choose page type. Either I can go for standard pages or I can go for AMP pages. So why they are for? If you are going to advertise on some search engines like Google, so it's better to use amplified mobile pages or AMP pages. It will help you rank your ads, or if you are going to promote your page using SEO, so it will help you rank them higher because of high speed. These pages are pre-cached inside Google Cache, and this helps them to open instantly. When a user clicks on the page, inside the SERPs, it opens instantly. So Swipe Pages helps you with that as well. Now the other thing is standard pages. By the way, the templates for both the pages are same. It's just about the algorithms and the coding. Now I'm going to click on standard page. Either you can filter the templates using these filters here, You can search the template, or you can simply scroll down and select the template that clicks you. For example, let's click this one, use template. Now it's making the dashboard ready for us, and here we go. This is a lead generating form. This is some heading, some personal details, and anything you want to add. By the way, we can also start from scratch if you don't want all these things. And we can also remove certain things. For example, I want to remove this section. All I need to do is to see if the section is selected, and I can click on delete. It's gone. I can change this as well. It's very simple. If you have used some page builders already, you might be familiar with this type of thing. It's very simple, drag and drop. Easy to navigate, easy to edit, and easy to customize. You don't need to code anymore. Okay. After creating the page, I'm going to click on save, and then I'm going to click publish. Now it's asking for the subdomain, and I have to add that. These are the domain names I can use with my subdomain. And if you have added your custom domain, it will be shown here. So here is our page. Now let's check the speed of our page. So we can see it's a super fast page that opens in the matter of milliseconds. Let's go back to dashboard and see what other features it offers. As you can see, this is the page we just created. Now let's have a look at the features that come with the page. We can see the analytics of our page. We can see leads if there are any. Currently we have just created the page, so there are no any leads. We can set the settings. For analytics, we can set our goals. We can use custom tracking codes, for example, Google Map API code, Google Analytics ID, Facebook Pixel ID, or if you have any other tracking code, you can add either in the head start of body or in the end of body tag. This is the lead capture options, and if you want to add autoresponder email to the lead capture. Meta tags for SEO are also included. You can play with them. If we talk about social sharing, and this is a very great feature which is lacking in many of the page builders, and I love this feature because most of the time social preview of some of the beautiful pages is very ugly. So you can customize your preview from here. You can customize your general OG tags, or you can also customize the Twitter card. Now let's talk about the pricing. You can try swipe pages for free, no credit card required. but we are going to talk about pricing. So these are the plans and these are their specs. Each plan comes with different specs. You can set the one according to your requirements. The most popular one is marketer plan. You can either try it for free if you want to, and you can purchase it as well. You can check the link in the description of this video to buy Swipe Pages. By the way, they are also offering 40% off when you register for a complete year. No matter what plan you are using, they will offer you 40% off. These are testimonials, FAQs, and blah blah blah. You can check it on your own. Let's keeping this review short and concise. This was all about Swipe Pages. If I'll find some other deals for Swipe Pages, I'll surely share the link in the description of this video. So do check it out and take care. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.